everyone and welcome to today's workshop. In today's workshop we will discuss the difference between the two words it's and its. Now, although these two words sound very similar, when written they are in fact very different. Our first word, its, is a combination of the two words it and is, and when written includes an apostrophe. For example, in usage you can say, it's sunny outside today, or it is sunny outside today. On the other hand, our second example is used for possession. For example, in usage you can say, the cat ate all of its food. In this instance, an apostrophe is not required. Thank you for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed today's workshop and we will see you soon.